Call us crazy, but that's why we're crazy for birds. Look at this. You hear all those birds are chirping? See them all around? Yep, that's why we're crazy for birds. We love it. But they're only in the living room. I'm not going to let them shoot around the whole house. I'm not that absolutely crazy. It takes me all day to clean the living room. Yep, this is why we're called crazy for birds. Ah, boo. We got 19 birds in our living room, folks. I bet y'all can't say that, huh, boo? Hi, Ellie. Playing with your toy? You like that, Ellie? You like your new toy from Tiffany? Richard's putting up new tree branches for him. Just took down the old one. Focus here. Pineapple. So, have a good day, everybody.